Welcome back to the technical session on RSI indicator. By the end of this video, I'll give you RSI for scalping, normal trading and swing trading. So don't skip the slides and watch carefully. And before that, there is a disclaimer, and this video is mainly for educational purpose only. We do not provide any financial investment or trading advice. The creator is not responsible for any profit or loss incurred. So today's agenda, RSI indicator technical analysis, and we are going to cover what is meant by RSI and what is the formula and what is the key trading signals and what are the levels with respect to RSI and what is meant by divergence with respect to RSI and how to confirm the trend, and finally why we use RSI in trading. So we'll see one by one. And first of all, RSI means it is relative strength index developed by Wells Builder, and basically it is calculate the momentum of price between speed and how fast it is changing. Overbought zone means RSI above 70. Price may be overbought due to pullback. Oversold zone means what? RSI less than 30. The price may be oversold due to rebound of price. So here you can see 70 above. If RSI is more, means the price also reaching to the potential reversal. In case of oversold situation means it may be rebound. The price may be going upwards. That is a basic understanding of how RSI we can interpret with the price movement, and basically RSI range between 0 to 100. So how we can calculate RSI with the help of this formula? RSI is equal to 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus the relative strength. The relative strength is calculated by how this price is moved in a given time period. And for example, in case a price is gaining means the average gain is more and divided by how much the certain period it is lost. So the range between this average gain and average loss, that is the formula for relative strength. So based on the momentum, if the RSI high means what? The momentum is high, it approaching towards overbought situation. In case of RSI low means it's a weak momentum, the potential oversold is approaching. The anytime maybe the price is going to upward. So that is a basic understanding how to interpret RSI with respect to price. Then how to identify the buy signal. So there is a RSI buy means what? The RSI crossing above 30. Here you can see that RSI is crossing above 30 and the trend reversal. When the price is coming down to the lower low, and finally there is one potential momentum. There is a bullish candle. This bullish candle is known as Marboji candle, and after it crossing the previous high, that is a momentum where you can enter into the market. For example, here you can see RSI is coming down and the price is also coming down. When the RSI reaching around RSI crossing zone, that is 30 level, and it shows that that the potential reversal, and you can confirm with the divergence how the price is also moving towards the RSI trend. So that's why it is a buying signal. Similarly, if RSI crossing below 70, so you can see that now RSI crossing below 70, and also the bearish divergence. Again, RSI going to hit 70, it's coming down like a previous low. It is crossing down, and after that there is a fully down moment. So this potential reverse in case of downtrend, there is a RSI also crossing below 70. It indicates that high pressure on price to come down. So that is the basic understanding how to understand RSI buy zone and RSI sell zone. And you can also understand the RSI reversal through this divergence. bullish divergence. In case of bullish divergence means the price makes lower low. Here you can see that no price is coming down and approaching the lower low, and RSI makes higher high. Here you can see that no RSI, it is also moving towards price, but it is not approaching lower low, it is approaching to higher high. In case of bearish divergence means the price makes higher high, the price makes higher high. Here you can see the high, and this high is more than the previous high. So higher high. At the same time, RSI makes lower high. So here you can see this high is not equal to this high. That is the confirmation. You can understand whether it is RSI is potential reversal up or potential reversal down. So this is the best setting. That takeaway from this slide is we are trading with different market situation. Everybody is not follow the regular trading strategy. Somebody will go only for the normal trading strategy, and many of them traders they use for scalping. In case of scalping, there is a 9 period. You have to change the RSI into 9 period. I will explain in chart. And in case of standard setting, it is 4 and 14 period. In case of sync trading, you can go for only 21. Whenever the market is not showing any aggressive momentum, you can go for 21 period. So along with RSI, if you use a moving average or support and resistance, how to identify the support resistance means you can take the reference from previous day high and previous day low, how the price is touching that no previous day high and low, and simultaneously if you check that RSI whether it is approaching towards the overbought and oversold situation. So that is the second confirmation. Third confirmation is I explained in my previous video, whenever there is a price is that potential reversal, you can see that on Marboju candle that is called as bullish engulfing. If you see this momentum and also cross check with RSI above 30, that is the momentum for entering into upper side. Similarly, in case of strong uptrend or downtrend, the RSI will not come down. It is ranging only in the 70 period. For example, if it is strong uptrend means the price is ranging here only. It will not come down to the neutral zone. Similarly, if the strong downtrend means the price is ranging here only, this area. So that is called as RSI uptrend and downtrend, and with respect to momentum, strong or weak. So the advantages and limitation here it is, you can use RSI for anywhere, any stock and any forex or crypto or commodity. But the one disadvantage here it is, in case of sideways market, the price is not moving 70 to 30. It is ranging in between here only. So in that case, you can avoid trading and only listen to the market, whether it is crossing above 70 or below 30. And this is a simple interpretation of RSI. You can see if it is price is the RSI is approaching 70 means the price chart also shows that it is overbought situation. Then now we can see that there may be a potential reversal. Similarly, if the RSI is 30 and it is that moving uptrend and approaching towards the neutral zone, which means there is a potential reversal. So this is the basic simple interpretation. I repeat once again, if the price is that above 70 and that momentum is known as potential reversal zone, and if it is the price is that in this situation that is 30 RSI 30 and price is also showing that there may be a reversal with the help of Marboji candle, then it is a uptrend. So I will explain you this strategy in chart. You can see that RSI here it is. If we click this RSI, default setting is 14. Default setting is 14. You can change into 9 for scalping. So for scalping market means you can change into 9. You can see that how it is exactly. It shows that 1 minute time frame and price is reached here, and we are in the live market natural gas, and here you can see that 1 minute time frame how exactly the RSI shows the oversold situation. And similarly, when the price is coming down here, and see how it is now. Potential reversal happened here. This is the divergence. This is the first down and this is second down, and how that no price is also shown. And along with the moving average, you can go for either moving average 50 or maybe 30. If it is 20, is very good for scalpers. In case of 50, you can change for normal trade. In swing trade, you can go for even bigger, that is 200 also is fine. So this is the way how to use RSI along with the other technical indicators to understand the market condition, and how exactly whenever there is a over, that sold situation is happened, the price is also move up and it is above the EMA 20 or maybe EMA 50. That shows the reversal. So if you like this session, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is KCP Alpha Indicator. I will explain every day a new strategy. These are all the recent strategies I have shared in the channel and go through. If you want to understand the basic level, there is a playlist in my channel, and this is for technical session. This is for basics of stock market for beginners, and along with the live market for everyday commodity after 8:30 to 8:30 to 11:30 p.m. So you can see a lot of popular videos also available. And if you find these videos are useful, please like and subscribe and share with your network. Thank you so much.